Hey, don't stop what you're doing.
You're not taller. You're smaller. Sorry, Max. Come on. We'll have lots of fun at Rosalinda's
Why are you
Ring
doing
Toss.
that?
Great shot, Louise. You nearly got it that time. Thanks, Ruby. What are you aiming for? I can't decide between the ever so lovely lavender perfume and the platform Cinderella slippers.
Hey,
The slippers are a harder
Are you
shot
playing?
because they're farther away.
Huh?
But they're worth
Are you playing with your toys?
Okay, here I go. Almost.
Let's wipe your mouth.
Try again.
No, you can't take my phone. You can't take it. You gonna hold it?
Cross is harder than I thought.
Don't put it in your mouth. No, don't put it in your mouth.
Win a prize. There's an easy shot.
How about you give me my phone and you play with your toys? I'll keep my phone. Okay? Is that a soccer ball? Can you put them on? No, you can't have my phone.
Good shot. Well done. Here's your prize. Although
Look, take them all off
trade it for something else.
How about this
and then put them back on. Like that.
Don't you, Max?
See?
Max?
No, don't get distracted. You can't have my phone.
Taller. Where do you think you're going? Taller? Come on, Max. See, Max? You're not
What is-
taller. You're smaller.
You can't have my
Don't
phone.
worry. There are lots of other fun things to do here at the fair.
As you can see, there is nothing in my hat. I say the magic words.
You gonna take them off and do it?
Abracadabra, alakazam, presto.